I'm going to show you how you can get more power when pruning hedges or shrubs with thicker stems, because that can be hard work. And therefore, with more power, it makes the job so much easier. Now, this forsythia has lovely spring flowers of bright gold. And you normally prune it after flowering because all the flowers are set in the stems now. So you'd wait until March time when it's finished flowering. But however, I do need to give it a trim now because it's gone a bit overruly, and we are planting a tree just over the other side. So I need to just trim it down. I'll miss the flowers, but I'll have it in good condition for what I need it to do. Now, it has got quite thick stems in here, and a normal pair of shears or even pruners, it'll take a lot of work, and you know, it can hurt the hands at the same time. However, with geared shears, you get more power, up to 45% more power. Now, traditionally, shears have one centre pin and they operate like that, or a pair of scissors, exactly the same. One pin, two handles, and obviously two blades. But the gear has got 1, 2, 3 pins that activates these cogs or gears here. And that additional momentum and smooth action gives you 45% more power when cutting. So, thick stems like this even, cut straight through with ease. For more information on the right tool to choose for the right job, just visit the website ames-tools.co.uk.